Hey y'all, welcome to the Messy Studio. Come on in and see what's going on. Hi, how are you today? I love wood turning. Wood turning is my life. 'Cause you can turn wood on a wood lathe with wood. Now it's very important when you turning wood that you use the safety equipment like the helmet, the ear muffs, and the face shield. Now the reason it's important that you use a face shield is so you don't end up with summer teeth like me. You know, summer teeth and some ain't. Now another very important piece of safety equipment is the cup. Now, it ain't no Dixie cup, and it ain't no coffee mug. It's a little piece of Tupperware you wear down in your britches. So if a log comes off of the lathe and bounces off the concrete shop floor, it don't hit you in the minute. See? Nah, I ain't wearing my cup right now. And my testicles are caught in my ear muffs. But I am not here to talk to you about my testicles. I'm here to talk to you about the AAW. The American Alcoholic Wood Turners. No, that ain't right. The American Association of Wood Turners. Now, I don't know that much about the American Association of Wood Turners, so not much I can tell you. But I've been told it's a good thing to join. But the most important thing now, remember, is wear your safety equipment. And like Norm Abram always says, the most important piece of safety equipment is these, your safety glasses. Y'all have a good day, turn some wood, and be safe. Yeah, I know that was silly, but shop safety is no laughing matter, and neither is wearing one of these. This is, now I'm not sponsored by Bonnet or Uvex, who makes this. This is my go-to face shield. I like it because it's polycarbonate, and I had a 10-pound piece of oak about a week after I bought this come off the lathe and hit me in the face, right about there. Got a couple of scratches in it, but it didn't break. It held together and it saved the bridge of my nose, I guarantee it. So, thanks for watching my silliness. Y'all stay safe. Now go turn something. I can't take credit for that little parody. That was basically a modified version of a routine I saw Bob Nelson do, a comedian, on An Evening with Dangerfield, gosh, 30 years ago. One of the funniest things I've ever seen in my life, except his was about the NFL. And I thought it might make a funny little parody on shop safety. So I hope you enjoyed. If you didn't, that's fine too. Not gonna hurt my feelings a bit. Y'all have a good day. And come on back and see us here in the Messy Studio. You ain't never gonna know what we're gonna be up to in here. Y'all have a good day. Please like, subscribe, share. Come back and see us.